Yeah, so today we're going to be doing a slime tutorial. So first you want to take like a little container or something. Put some, it doesn't matter what
It don't matter what type of shampoo or conditioner.
Okay, take 2 drops of the conditioner and shampoo. And then use any kind of like bath soap, something like that. And want to add 3 drops of that. And then you want to put it
just a little bit of water,
just like I'm gonna show you. Like this much of water. I'm gonna show you.
That's not
bop. That's all you need.
That's all
drop.
you need.
And then you want to add some. And then you want to put some salt.
Salt in it.
Like just like a little bit.
Just a little bit.
And then you want to put some more water in there. Then put some more. Put 1 drop of this. No.
And 1 drop
2
of
drops of this. And 2 drops of this. And like 3
more drops of that.
And then put some more water in it again. Like 2 drops of water. Then put it up in the freezer for 2 minutes. Then put it up in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. And then take it out. Put some more water up in there. Mix it up. And then put it back up in the refrigerator for 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
So right now we're gonna take it out. Go get it out the freezer.
Yep. So I'm about to go take it out the freezer and put it in the. Okay, I need to mix it. It's my turn to mix.
No.
Yes, it is. It's cold.
Okay, how about after I put it up in the refrigerator, you can mix. So right as you guys can see, it's actually getting kind of
thickish.
It's actually kind of getting very slimy.
It is.
As you can see.
I'm telling y'all, me and Tina had did multiple slime recipes, and none of them has wrecked, but we didn't have a YouTube channel when we did it, so.
Yes. Okay, now you want to put it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. And I guess we will call her boyfriend.
I ain't got one, trust me.
Well, her crush.
I ain't got no crush.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay. Don't play me like stupid.
So when we're done with that, it should be like, so right now it's 7:24, so it should be like 5 minutes before. So it should be like 7:28 when the slime should be taken out. Hey,
I'm covering the number.
I ain't showing nothing.
So you want to check my followers? I mean, our subscribers?
No, not at all.
Oh! So we're just gonna wait. I don't know what we're gonna do. Probably fight.
Pew pew pew. It's just gonna pew. Pew pew pew. Ah.
Well, so.
Because what time it is right now? It is 7:24 still. It's taking forever.
Yeah, it's actually gotta take 5 minutes. So it will be 7, 8. Stop.
I'm not even doing the
Just hit your sibling. It's my sibling. It's my god sister. I got you my sister. She hit me back.
I swear to God, I'm about to hit her. She got a sew in it.